Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the lecture number 3 in the topic of vectors in the subject of pure mathematics 3. So our first topic for today is magnitude of a vector. So concentrate yourself, the magnitude or length. So two names are there for the same thing. The magnitude or length of a vector A is equal to xyz, which can also be written in the form xi plus yj plus zk, is given by. So first you will put mod around the vector A, and then will be equal to x square plus y square plus z square square root. So listen again. First you will write mod, that is the sign of the magnitude, that will be equal to x square plus y square. So y is here or here. So y square plus z square. So z is here or here. So this will be the method, whole square root. So this will be the method for finding the magnitude of a vector. So here is an example that will make your concepts more clear. Given that A is equal to 2 minus 3, 6, find the length of A. So look now, because length or magnitude is the requirement. So first you will put mod around the A, and then x square, that is 2 square, plus y square, that is minus 3 square, plus z square, that is 6 square, and whole square root. So this is the step that will be there for finding the magnitude. Now solve it. So 2 square 4, minus will be absorbed because of the square. So 9 and plus 36 square root. Okay, then 9 plus 4, 40 and 49, and square root will be plus minus 7, but 7 will be taken because magnitude is always in positive. So this is the answer. The next topic which we are going to read in the topic of vectors is unit vector. So concentrate yourself. Here are some concepts. So concentrate yourself. We are going to start a unit vector A cap. So any unit vector is represented by putting cap over it. So a unit vector A cap is in the direction of the vector A is given by. So A cap is equal to A over A magnitude. The unit vector has magnitude. A cap magnitude is equal to A over A magnitude. So we are taking the magnitude of the unit vector, and now this bar will be transferred individually in the numerator and denominator. So will be equal to 1 because that will be cancelled. And you have to remember one more thing. Unit stands for 1. So the unit vector has magnitude always 1. Moreover, also we have B is equal to B magnitude A cap, where B is a vector of length B magnitude in the direction of A. So this is a very important concept. So sometimes you will be given a vector and you will be required to find the unit vector. But at the same time, you will be required to find another vector of length this in the direction of the unit vector. So look now again. Also we have B is equal to B magnitude A cap, where B is a vector of length B magnitude in the direction of A. So here are actually two concepts. So we are going to apply both concepts in a question. So this question will make your concepts more clear. So concentrate yourself now. Given that A is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k, find a unit vector. So first we are going to this part. So look now, A vector is 2i, or we can write in this form also 2, 1, 2. So the first thing that is required is the unit vector. So first we will find the A magnitude, that will be equal to 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square whole square root. So that will be equal to 4 plus 1 plus 4. So that will be equal to 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 square root is 3. And now the unit vector, A cap is equal to A vector over A magnitude. A vector is 2i plus j plus 2k, 2i plus j plus 2k, and A magnitude is 3. So this is the unit vector. Now further required is and a vector of length 9 in the direction of A. So let's suppose the next vector is B, that will be equal to B magnitude A cap. So B magnitude is given, that is 9, and A vector is given, that is 2i plus j plus 2k, over 3. So this 3 will be cancelled with this 9. So 3 3s are 9. So the remainder will be this 3 will be multiplied inside. So 6i plus 3j plus 6k. So this is the answer. The next thing that we are going to read is angle between two vectors. So the concepts are the angle between two vectors A and B is given by cos theta is equal to A dot B over A magnitude into B magnitude. So here are three cases now that will be required in your paper. So these are rare concepts which are not given in the book, and normally teachers does not tell their students, and the students gets confused in the paper when this kind of question comes. So look now, this is the rare case. Case 1, if A dot P is greater than 0, theta will be acute angle. Case 2, if A dot P is lesser than 0, theta is obtuse angle. And case 3, if A dot P is equal to 0, theta will be 90 degree, that is A and B are perpendicular. So the concepts will be more clear here by solving the question. So look now, the question is find the angle between two vectors, and here are two vectors given, A 1 to 1 and B 3 minus 2 4. So because angle is the requirement, so first we have to complete the values, and after that we will be able to put the values into the formula. So A magnitude and B magnitude will be find out first. So look now, A magnitude will be equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square and whole square root. So 1 plus 4 plus 1 whole square root, that will be equal to 6 square root. Likewise, B magnitude will have to be find out. So 3 square plus minus 2 square plus 4 square whole square root. So look now, 3 square is 9, minus 2 square will be 4, and 4 square is 16 whole square root. 20 plus 9, 29. So this is the thing, and now we are able to find the cos theta. But if we first find A dot B, that things will be even more easier. So look now, A dot B. So A is 1 to 1 and B is 3 minus 2 4. Respective elements will be multiplied. So look now, 1 3s are 3 plus 2 minus 2s are minus 4, and then plus 1 4s are 4. So after solving it, that will make 3 plus 4 7, minus 4 will be 3. Okay, and finally we will put the values into the formula. So first we will write the formula. Cos theta is equal to A dot B over A magnitude B magnitude. So A dot B is 3, A magnitude is square root 6, and B magnitude is square root 29. So from here, theta will be equal to cos inverse 3 over square root 6 square root 29. So solving it on the calculator, and answer is 76.9 degree. So if you look at these concepts, the case one was if A dot P is greater than 0. So look now, A dot P is greater than 0. That's why look at the angle. Angle is acute. If A dot P is lesser than 0, angle will be obtuse. And if A dot P is 0, angle will be 90 degree. So these are the concepts.